just finished my last exam. I just finished my last exam for the semester. Thank the Lord. Thank God Almighty. Like I need a drink, people. I need a drink. Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm at Carib to watch the movie that I told you guys earlier. Super excited. It's a solo day. Just, you know, us, we're just gonna have a nice solo day together. We're gonna watch, what's name again? Lord Jesus, I can't remember what the movie that I told you guys earlier. So we're gonna do that, have some fun. I may go for drinks after, not 100% sure yet, but we're late, so we'll go inside and watch the movie. Oops, sorry. So I'll see you guys inside. I'll see you guys inside.
You're 22, tú atajando, girl, I wanna handle you, put my hands upon you.
Getting some food, the movie has started, so thank God I ate late. I thought I was late, but thank the Lord.
Girl, I wanna handle you. Girl, I really know your type.
Okay, got my food. I'm all ready for John Wick.
Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just man. Just maybe. You're 22.
222 steps. Consequences.
22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what.
So the movie is over. The movie wasn't bad. When I get to the car, I'll talk to you guys about it.
What it means to be loved.
Alright guys, so I'm out of the movie. The movie was good. But tell me now, how the ending there come about? My mother did tell me about the ending, you know. She told me what happened with the ending, but to literally see for myself, like, me not understanding who read the ending, how come, like, how can he just, like, I don't even want to say, should I even say, but it's been a couple weeks now since the show, you know, the show is out, so, I mean, people, y'all should watch it, you know, or y'all should watch it and shouldn't be late like me, like, me not understand, how is that possible, like, why, will there even be another one, like, will there be? Because are they tricking, like, the way of, like, I'm confused. Look at me, all I mess up myself with my words, like, I don't understand, like, yeah, I knew that happened at the ending, but to, like, that happened to him, I don't agree with this. I do not. Who are the writers? Who owns this shit? Like, how can you, that ending whack? That's such a whack ending. Is there gonna be, like, a fifth chapter? Like, I need to know if there's gonna be a fifth chapter, because if that's the case, that means them trick we what was here at the ending a while ago. But I don't know, honestly, I don't believe it. I don't believe that happened. I'm gonna Google to find out if there's any more coming out, if there will be a fifth chapter. If there will, that means homeboy ain't dead. But if there isn't, homeboy is dead. What a whack ending. Like, I'm so disappointed in the ending. I already know this, so why is it still so disappointing? And people, I'm gonna agree with the ending here. I'm sorry. But the movie was good. I wanted to, I'm tired. I wanted to just have some drinks, probably go Regency, have some drinks, but like, my body's not up to it. Like, I'm tired. I've been up. I went to my bed like 4 o'clock, 4:30 this morning, just to prepare for my exam today. I'm like tired, like literally, I'm like out of it. I was going to stop and buy jerk chicken, but I just couldn't bother. So I'm just gonna you know, head home and find something at the house to eat, drink some rum, and watch some Scandal. that's it for my Friday night. That's it for my Friday night. For tomorrow, I think I want to go to the beach. Not 100% sure, but I'll see what happens tomorrow. So yeah, I'll pick up with you guys tomorrow on this vlog, and then we'll see where it takes us. There is a pottery class going on tomorrow. You know, I really want to do that. I've always, you know, like to do like unique stuff and stuff that I always see on the internet, and pottery, it sounds like such fun. But I didn't I know it's tomorrow at 10 a.m, but I didn't contact the people. When I wake up tomorrow, I'll decide, because if I still can do that, I'll probably do that instead of going to the beach. I don't know, it depends on how I feel in the morning. Yeah, but that's that, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and then we'll pick up from there. Then you'll see me. But I mean, I still recommend John Wick to watch. Like, John Wick is bomb, of course, but like that ending, child, that ending, But anyways, guys, I will talk to you in another day at another time. Okay, peace later. Guys, what's going on? So it is the next day, and it's another solo day. Today's Saturday, and I actually don't feel like to stay home. Like, I just want to go out, have some drinks. Like, the exam this week was just killer, so I remember I told you guys like I wanted to go somewhere for the weekend, but that didn't work out. So it's okay, we're improvising. So I'm gonna go out again today on a nice solo day. So I'm going to go to my favorite place, probably eat some wings or pasta. I'm not sure yet, but Regency. I've been there before. I told you guys like that's like my favorite place to have drinks, and I think today they have like 500 for 2 for 1 drink. So that sounds like a nice vibe to, you know, go to have some drinks and some food. So that is the deal for today. So I'm just gonna quickly do a little makeup. And you know, I went out to the movies last night where you guys saw that. So that wasn't bad. I don't know, I was watching back the video when I was talking about the movie last night, and it seemed very dark in my car. But yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, that the ending of that movie still get me. Literally still get me. But we are gonna go out tonight and just have a little fun. Oh shit, I think I used the wrong brush. Yeah, we're gonna head out and just have a nice little fun. But anyways, how are you guys doing? I'm just gonna chit chat while I'm doing my video. I hope you guys are doing well. It is the weekend, so for everybody who has work and all of that, I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm just gonna be looking in my thingy here. Hold on, that door is I have to close that door, guys. Give me a second. You guys like go out on your own? If you do not, like, this is a sign you watching this video to tell yourself say yeah, go out by yourself. Like, you don't need to go out with anybody, guys. I think the best recommendation I would have, like, if you want to go out on your own and you like don't know where to go, movie would be like the first place I would officially say to like probably go, so you know, you probably won't feel like that awkward, because in the movie, of course, it's dark, you know, and you'll be so busy in tune with the movie, you're not gonna like feel odd or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend like going to a movie first if you're like nervous about like going out on your own. So that's like my first recommendation. So yeah, guys, that's what I was saying. Like, yeah, that's like the best recommendation. You know, you go on a movie, like go on a solo movie date, like to just test the waters to see if you're like, you know, okay with going out on your own. Even though all of us should be okay going out on our own, you know, you shouldn't need, yeah, we shouldn't need like company to enjoy ourselves. You know, you have to enjoy your own company. That's like one of the main stuff that we all should know. Enjoy yourself by yourself, basically. So yeah, it's a movie. You could start off with a movie, or like if you want some food, like if you really want some food and you want to go by yourself, you can guys go to a restaurant. But the trick is you go early in the daytime. Like, so for instance, on a weekend, Saturday, like you can go like at midday, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, where there's not much people. I mean, there are people outside restaurants at that hour, but it's like not a lot of people, you know, out so early in the day. I'm supposed to go in 5, 6 o'clock when everybody and them family members are out, you know. So to remove that awkward vibes, you can definitely go to like an early lunch. Like go to an early lunch, a midday lunch, or you know, 2 p.m. dinner. That I would totally like recommend for somebody who is trying to get, you know, trying to get into the phase of going out on their own and all of that jazz. Like that is like a good recommendation. This sponge needs to be wet. It's not that wet. But yeah, I think those are like my 2 recommendations I would have, like where to start off to go for a first solo date. So I'm gonna actually finish putting on this makeup, then you know, we'll probably see you guys on the road. Yeah, we're just gonna head out, have some drinks, have a nice vibe for the weekend. So that's what's going on.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex so deep.
Yo, what's up? So I am here at Regency. So I just drove in and parked. So I will talk to you guys once I'm inside. Like I haven't, it's what, 4:28 now, and I've been wanting to leave the house from 11 a.m. I know it's 4:28 and I haven't ate anything from morning. Literally nothing I got from morning. Water, juice, food, nothing. So like I'm hungry. I am so hungry and tired at the same time. Just bananas. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, have some nice food, drink. They should have soup, so I'll probably have some soup before I start eating. And yeah, so we're just gonna have a nice, you know, relaxing. Oh, there's a wedding going on over there. So cute. Let me show you guys. Phone all that hype, and I think you can zoom in somewhere, but yeah, you can still like the white dress right there. So pretty. Aww, marriage, so nice. Oh. Anyway, yeah guys, so I am gonna head inside and we will talk later. Yeah.
Hey.
So I am here. Oh, Jesus. Guys, I am here and in here empty. I see like 2 girls alone there, so I'm basically here alone. I like it. I like it.
You got, yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage.
I don't like the lighting behind me. I don't like the lighting behind me. Oh well. Yeah.
But you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it.
Thank you. You have the lime? Yeah. Oh, that's alright. So y'all, I got my meal and all of that, but the lighting, based on where I'm sitting, like the lighting is actually terrible. It is so terrible. food. I ordered shrimp pasta and I also ordered with name garlic broccoli something. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see.
Running game, all your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over.
What's up guys, so I am all finished with my meal. I'm gonna head home now. The food was good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the food was good as usual. Never a complaint. Oh, I didn't show you guys the fit. So this is my fit. Just a cute little shorts and top. Oh, they do have another mirror here. So this is the fit that I have on. You know, simple and cute. And my sandals, yeah. So I'm actually gonna head home now. I don't think I'm gonna like go anywhere else. Like, I'm super tired, literally, and bigaritis kill me. So I am just gonna head home. I may see you guys tomorrow. I should be going on a road tomorrow, not 100% sure, but if I don't see you guys tomorrow, sometime in the week for sure, because I need to end this vlog. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and this is your sign to go out by yourself and have a cute little date night, okay? Don't wait on anybody. Don't wait on no man. Don't wait on no girl to take you out. Just go out. If you feel to go somewhere, go. You don't need company. So this is your sign, okay? So I will talk to you guys later.
You're 22.
The next day.
Y'all, what's going on? It's Honesty. So it is the next day, so today's Sunday, so happy Sunday to you. So I'm heading out. By the way, this weekend was supposed to be all about me and my solo trip, just hanging out by myself, but I got some tickets to go to this event today. It's called Afro Jam, so it's kind of like a soca / Afro type of party. So I got some tickets, so why not? So I'm heading there with my friends. The party ends at 11 and it's almost 8:30, so I'm just gonna head out and just have a vibe and just relax. It's a new work week, so you know, why not just have a last hangout until the rough week ahead. No more school for now, thank the Lord, until when school start back. I not even know when school start back. And by the way, I don't even book select my courses. Well, I've selected some already, but I think I need to select one more. But anyways, we're gonna have a ball tonight. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I appreciate you so much for watching so far, and I will see you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna see you guys, but tonight I made us end the vlog tonight after the event. But if anything, we'll talk, have fun watching, like the video, comment, and yeah, we'll talk guys, we'll talk.
If you don't realize, me and father up every minute, I become one of the dancers when they catch. You see like how the dancer can do for every day. Give me one next to you.